Experiencing a Koorui monitor that won't power on can be frustrating. Let's systematically diagnose the most common power issues step by step. First, we need to ensure the monitor is properly connected to a functioning power outlet using a known good power cable. Check for any physical damage to the cable or the monitor's power input. Look for bent pins, frayed wires, or burn marks around the power connector. Next, observe the power LED indicator. If it's completely off, there's likely a power supply problem. If the LED is on but there's no display, the issue might be with the display driver or backlight system. Try different input sources such as HDMI and DisplayPort, along with different cables to rule out signal issues. This helps determine if the problem is with the power system or the display signal path. If basic checks fail, the problem likely lies within the monitor's internal components. The most common culprits are a failing power supply unit, or PSU, and the timing controller board, known as the TCON board. Common internal failures include degraded capacitors in the power supply, failed switching components, and timing controller board malfunctions. These issues typically require professional diagnosis and repair. By following this systematic diagnostic approach, you can identify whether your Koorui monitor's power issue is external and easily fixable, or internal, requiring professional attention. When facing power issues with your Koorui monitor, your first step should be checking warranty coverage. Koorui now offers an enhanced 3-year warranty specifically for power supply components. For those comfortable with DIY repairs, proper safety protocols are essential. Electrostatic discharge protection is critical when working with sensitive electronic components. Once safely inside the monitor, look for common failure points. Electrolytic capacitors are the most frequent culprits, typically degrading after 18 to 24 months of use. Look for visible burn marks or damaged components, like this example. These indicate component failure and potential fire hazards that require immediate attention. Component replacement can restore functionality at a fraction of the cost of a new monitor. Typical DIY repairs cost $15 to $40 in parts, with capacitors being the most commonly replaced components. For backlight-related problems, the LED driver circuit may need attention. This schematic shows a typical LED backlight driver that converts power to the specific voltage and current requirements for the LED array. When deciding between DIY and professional repair, consider the costs and success rates. Professional repairs cost $80 to $150, but achieve a 90% success rate compared to 65% for DIY attempts. Prevention is always better than repair. Using a surge protector reduces power-related failures by 40%, while proper ventilation decreases thermal failures by 35%. Regular cleaning extends component life by 25%.